Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, it's my day off, and as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm just on my way to my friend's house, Francesca, and we met recently through work. She's just become a freelance makeup artist. She did a course last week. I can try and get some information for you guys through the company she did it with. We're basically going to do like a little collab thing, so she's going to go basically just step by step by what she does and to show you guys what she can do basically. And I will leave a link down below with her like Instagram and her blog, and hopefully she'll leave a link to my YouTube through her blog as well. So yeah, I'm excited, so let's go. Which one did you pick?
I didn't really, I was just gonna do whatever.
I'll pick loads, so
I was just gonna kind of do something similar to that with like something underneath.
That one? Yeah.
Just kind of an adaptation of stuff for your eyes, but it's,
yeah,
I know what I'm doing because I've done it.
Yeah. But since last week, no one's ever done my makeup, so it's like, it's weird.
So if you close your eyes for me.
Yeah.
Less pressure now, I don't have someone examining me.
Exactly.
And now I get to do makeup how I like to do it as well.
Exactly, yeah.
You're gonna look quite different, I think.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put as much foundation on you.
Did you find a course online then?
Oh, like
No, makeup thing, or
well, I mean, yeah, I suppose I did. I just followed her because she did some she does Kelly Holmes makeup.
Oh wow.
And I followed her just because Kelly Holmes posting a photo.
Yeah.
And then I just kind of saw that she did courses and was like, hey, this could work for me. And it did. You get your jobs because of not how you look, but what you can do.
Yeah.
And I think if you had to wear makeup, it's not ideal, because if you have to get up at 6 in the morning to do people's makeup, it's not about you looking pretty, it's about them.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I think being a makeup artist just shows that you look after your skin as well.
Yeah.
And if you can show that you can look after your skin, then that's, you know, it just kind of accentuates your art and like what you're doing.
So this is the look that we're trying to do. It's the first look. There we go, it's kind of focused now.
You can see in the mirror so far. And when I take it away, the darker bit will show up a bit more.
Like a wing liner, yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm going to do a little bit of liner. I'm going to do the purple colour underneath because I think it'll look better with the winged liner.
Oh, definitely.
Because it's a matte look.
Yeah.
We can add like a shimmery colour underneath, I think. I'm just putting on moisturiser first.
That's right.
It's just going to make sure that everything's kind of evened out. It's smooth, that any dry skin is kind of patted down as much as you can do.
Yeah.
And everything.
I mean, I know I've got oily skin, but I do have...
You still need to moisturise.
I still have dry skin sometimes.
Well, the thing is, just because you've got oily skin, you can't neglect everything about like your skin type just because part of it's oily.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to give you some brows. done a bit of a lighter foundation. It's not flawless, but it's just smoothed everything out because it's still full makeup, but it looks more like your skin.
Yeah.
I'm just doing like a light, I'm doing everything, but just in a lighter way, you know?
Right.
That's what I tend to do, like on a more day-to-day basis. Is when as soon as I got my kit, I'm gonna offer lessons.
That's a good idea.
So I can sit down and be like, this is your face, let's learn how to do makeup on your face.
Yeah.
Look up for me.
Yeah, that'd be good, because I'm not brilliant. So any tips would be good.
Well, sometimes it's just that if you've got a face that isn't what everyone has on YouTube.
Yeah.
And you don't know how to adapt what you're seeing on YouTube. Like, no one on YouTube that's like really famous, look up for me, is talking about technique for different skin, like actual technical techniques to like learn. You have to search for that yourself, which is what I did. That's how I learned, but I made a lot of mistakes along the way to learn that.
Yeah.
You need to learn the techniques for your face, and sometimes the people you watch aren't your face, and you can't search like everyone has a different face shape.
Yeah.
There are the main ones, but you might not even, you might think you have one when you have another, kind of a thing.
Yeah.
You need to kind of work out what looks good on you. So I'm just powdering like the centre part of your face and I'm leaving this bit.
Okay. Yeah, so it's really oily. It's very annoying.
But yeah, but you don't need to do it everywhere else.
No.
This looks nice on you.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like natural but not crazy.
Yeah. It's different because obviously I don't bother doing eyeshadow anymore for work, and
I used to be like that, and sometimes I am like, yeah, like last shift we had, I just wore red lipstick instead of eyeshadow.
Yeah.
But I do feel like in retail, if you can, like, not that you don't put your effort in, you always look lovely, but I feel like for me, if I can do my makeup well, I might as well, because you're selling products to people.
Exactly.
People are more likely to come up to you if you look really put together and nice, and that does not mean you need to wear makeup. But like if you're looking really put together and well done,
yeah,
then people are more likely to come to you than if you're, you know, no makeup, haven't even put any thought into your outfit.
Yeah.
Which I do all the time, don't worry. But you know what I mean, like.
Yeah.
So I've already put a bit of cream on, contour down your nose.
Yeah.
Just make sure that when you're doing your any bronzer, you always bring it down to this part of your neck here. This is the part that needs to be blended.
Oh, okay.
And then like down here, on like this ear part, and that sort of make you look like you haven't got bronzer on, if you know what I mean, as such, and it's more like natural looking.
Oh, okay.
You don't need foundation down here, you just need the right amount of bronzer. If you put bronzer here, your chin covers it anyway. You can run a little bit, but it's the sides that people notice you have a line.
Right.
And the way to get rid of that is just diffusing some bronzer down there instead of going crazy with all your other products.
Oh, okay.
I'm just going to put powder under your eye just to brighten it up. It's like a yellow kind of banana powder. So look up for me. I'm gonna spray you with some setting spray just so it doesn't look so stark, but you can probably see the difference under your eyes there.
Yeah.
Look up for me. What kind of a colour are you wanting under your eyes? Do you not care?
I don't care. Whatever you think.
Don't know if I want to do like a bright orange or if I want to do something completely different, like a blue.
Because we've got brown, haven't we, at the top?
Yeah, so I feel like the blue might look nice.
Yeah.
I've got a dark blue, but I'm not sure kind of like. Or do I do khaki? That could look really nice.
Oh. See what you think. I mean, we can try one colour, and if you don't like it, we can maybe try and fix it with another one. Wow, we've got Dior and Chanel as well.
I'm a bit of a snob with makeup.
You kind of have to be sometimes, don't you?
Definitely.
Like, I think the only expensive thing I have is that MAC concealer. I think that's the only thing I have. But then I sold most of my collection.
I'm going to do khaki because I think it's going to make your brown eyes look really nice and it'll keep it look natural without without going crazy.
I've got dark eyes, so.
And then I can put that colour in the inner corner and it'll really make your eyes pop.
That'd be nice.
Yeah,
you get a bad habit of looking at the screen.
See, this is like a kind of greeny blue eyeliner, which I'm going to use as a base for the khaki, just so it brings out the kind of greeny blue in it and not so much the brown. And then when you have your mascara on it, that'll look really nice.
Oh, that's really nice.
Like it?
Yeah.
It opens up your eyes. I think it looks cute.
Yeah. Very nice.
I like to try and like take a neutral everyday look and just make it a little different but still wearable.
Yeah.
And I feel like if you want to do a pop of colour but it's still colour but neutral, something like a khaki green is like, oh yeah, you're wearing green, but it's like not really in your face.
Bold, yeah. Subtle.
I'm going to take this on your inner corner. I'm going to try not make it watery.
Okay.
Just like, breathe.
Should be alright.
Close your eyes so I don't get it in your eye. And I just need to add a bit of highlighter in your mascara and that's it. You just look down, yeah, perfect, and keep your eyes up now. So every time I take the brush away, look up.
Okay.
But as soon as the brush hits your lashes, look down for me, okay? Okay, look up. Do you want a dark lip or a light lip?
You choose.
Do something in between.
But
I'm going to go for a nude so you don't feel like you're wearing crazy lipstick that you're not used to.
okay.
So I can mix of these would look pretty. Do you want a gloss or would you like to keep it matte? Kind of satiny.
Not gloss.
Look at me. Think I'm happy?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Can I take some photos, is that right?
Yeah, go for it. So I'm now back from Francesca's house. Thank you so much, Francesca, for doing my makeup. It looks amazing. I will make sure I link everything down below, like her where she trained and the school that she trained at and bits like that. So yeah, this is what we went for. Just a subtle sort of everyday makeup. It looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did, making this one with her as well. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!